Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to solve the problem of the day of Geeks for Geeks. Problem name is the smallest window containing 0, 1 and 2. And here is the problem statement. Given a string S containing of characters 0, 1 and 2, and your task is to find the length of smallest substring of S that contains all the three characters 0, 1 and 2. And if no such substring is exists, then we simply return -1. Okay, so this is our simple problem statement. Now we try to understand the problem and the solution of the problem using this simple given example. So what in the first example there are, that means the length of the string is 5. That means there are 5 characters in the string. This is 1 2 1 2 and 0. Okay, so our task is to find the substring that contains all the three characters 1 2 and 0, and the size of the string should be minimum. Okay, so what we do, we take a hash map in which we store all the character and the frequency of the character. So firstly, we start from the zeroth index of the substring, and what is the first character is what 1, and initially what is the frequency of this one is what 1. Okay, now next character is 2, so we add 2 in our hash map, and what is the frequency of 2 is 0. Now next character is 1, so 1 is already present in our hash map, so we increment in the frequency of the 1. Okay, now the frequency of 1 is 2. Now next character is 2. So 2 is already present in our hash map. So we simply increment in the frequency of 2. So now frequency of 2 is what? 2. Now 0. 0 is not present in the hash map. So we add 0 in our hash map. And what is the frequency of this 0 is 1. Now what we do? We start from the zeroth index of our substring and check. Now main task is starting. Now we check what is the frequency of this one is 2. That means 1 is also present in the string. Okay, so if we remove this one from the string, that no effect on our substring. So 1 is removed from the substring and frequency is also reduced is 1. Okay, now we check for the next character 2. Is 2 frequency is greater than 0? Yes. So we remove this 2 in here and reduce the frequency of 2 is what 1. Now check is what is the frequency of this one is what 1. That means we need this character in the substring. Now we check what is the frequency of 2. 2's frequency is also 1, so we do not remove it because this is the only character present in the substring. And what is the frequency of 0 is what 1, so 0 is also the part of our substring. So this is the substring in our main substring, and that in this contains all the three characters 1 2 and 0. And what is this is the minimum length substring. Okay, now we check for the second example. In this example we also take a hash map and store the character one by one in it, and also calculate the frequency of the character. Now first character is 1 and frequency 1. Second character is 2, frequency 1. Now next character is 1, frequency is incremented and it become 2. Frequency of 2 is also incremented and it become 2. And what is the frequency of this one? It also incremented 3. But now we analyze there is no 0, but if we try to find the substring that contain all the three characters 0 1 and 2. So in this string this is not possible to find the substring contain all the three characters. So what we do, we simply return -1. So this is the simple question, and this is the simple approach to solving this question. Okay, so now we try to code this problem. So what we do? Firstly, we take a hash map that contains the character and the frequency of the character. So take a hash map, and type of the hash map is character and integer value for the frequency. Okay, and HM is the name of the hash map. Okay, now what we do? We take a variable answer and store integer dot max value. Answer is the variable that store the final length of the substring. Okay, and we take another value variable st, and initial value of st is 0. We take a for loop that start from the I equals to 0 and end in substring the length of our given string. Okay, and now we increment the I by 1. Okay, now we check if our has map or contains key. Here ch equals to s dot char at. Char is the function that returns the character at present in the index. Okay, so we check if this character is already present in the hash map. So we simply increment in this frequency. Okay, so dot replace and ch hasmap dot get ch plus 1. Okay, in the else condition which we put, if this is not present in our hasmap, so we simply add this character with the frequency 1. Now here we check if hasmap.size function is used to calculate the size of the hasmap. Okay, while st is greater than I and hasmap dot get as dot char at st is greater than 1, then what we do, hasmap dot put as dot char at st hm dot get or default as dot char at st 0 minus 1. Okay, now increment st plus plus here. We take the answer variable, answer math dot minimum function is used to calculate the minimum value among two values. Okay, so answer I minus st plus 1. Okay, and at the last we return answer equals to integer dot max value minus 1 answer. So this is the simple code of the problem. Now we try to compile this code, and after that we try to submit this code. Okay, this should be small. What is the error in 44th line? Check. Zero. So guys, code is compiled successfully. Now we try to submit this code. So guys, code is compiled and submitted successfully. Thank you for watching this video and follow for the next video for the upcoming question on Geeks for Geeks platform. Thank you so much.